Ona thengia wa arutani a JSS gukorwo magomete makihinyiriria no nginyagia mandikwo wira ni kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC mahoya maya monekanite makaiguo mbanjeti-ini ya mwaka ukite wa kigina. Ministry ya Githomo kuhitukira mwandiki MUKARU BELIO KIPSANG niyo eheanite kiraniro giki akiuga ihinda-ini riri kuri na miario irathii na mbere na kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC.
We are assuring our young ones, the intern teachers, if they check in our budget for the next financial year, we have provided for their confirmation, because from day one we say that we shall be undertaking a 2-year internship program which will automatically take you to PNP. So for sure they are just jumping the gun. If they are slightly patient, then they will have arrived where they were going to.
BELIO augite Ministry ya Githomo ni yarire mitaratara niguo gutigirira mathomo ma JSS matiratharara.
There is learning, there is disruption, yes, but I can tell you that we have backup systems and our children are learning. One thing that we did and that we are doing as government, and as I mentioned, we have a 1-to-1 book ratio, which also supports kids in ensuring that they acquire the necessary knowledge and skills.
Kwa ihinda arutani a JSS makoretwo makirorongana na kwihita kwaga gucoka irathi nginyagia riria TSC kamandika wira wa gutura taru nao na oho imarihe mishara yao ya ihinda riria marutete ta interns. Amwe ao makiuga riu ni mambiriirie gutumirwo marua ma kuheo mikana ya gutigithio wira.
The teachers are sending messages of threats that we should go back to class or else we are going to be fired. I want to give warning also to the Commission. The Shoko's letters, we have seen them, and we are saying that we are not bowing down because you cannot threaten us for 17,000 shillings.
Hede ya murorongano wao omuthi arutani aya maugite o makoretwo makirutithio wira murito ona gukira arunao guku makirihwo mushara wa igoto.
They are going to the cases paying lawyers to fight for them, yet the money they are wasting on the lawyers should be us. And that Nancy Masharia, you should have knowledge. Come to the ground and see what CBC is happening. The stamp only will accommodate the private students. The public students have no lab. Some of them have never seen apparatus.
Ona gutuika amwe arutani anene thukuru-ini ici cia JSS makoretwo makiuga arutani aya ni kurega mararega gwituma taru nao mefundithie mathomo ma CBC o maugite irua riria maheirwo kuri na subject iria matumirwo guthomithia.
I was employed to work for JSS. My head teacher will come and tell me to go and take class 4, class 5. No, when we say no, they take it personal and say that we are not hatujitumi, we are not ready to work, we are not ready to go an extra mile. Yet, you can find teachers going home with books so that they have the content they are going to teach the following day.
And our letter of appointment was saying 2 subjects only. We are following that.
And you must
otherwise they should go back and change that.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.